sometimes you only need to say how many times the for cycle has to run, or you just need to generate some numbers. So, and you can use the range. Well, what does it mean? So there is nothing what you will go through, like the list or string. You just write for, make some variable, for example number in, and now I will write a range here. Range has two values, for example from 0 to 6, and it means that it will generate the numbers from 0 to 6, but be careful because 6 is not included. So it means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. So I will print a number like this, run it, and you will see from 0 to 5. If you want, if it will start from 0, you don't have to write the 0. So this will be absolutely the same from 0 to 5. Okay, so I will write it like this because I will give you these codes to the textbook so you can copy it. So these two cycles are completely the same. Okay, so I will print here some separator only for clarity, and now you can do it whatever you want. For example, for number in range, and you can write it, for example, like this. So it means it goes from -10 to 1. Be careful because how I said 2 isn't included. Okay, this number isn't in the range. So I will print the number and we will see. Okay, separator -10 to 1. Okay, 2 is not included. Okay, perfect, and that's it. Sometimes you need some numbers, and for this for and range, it's super easy. So you can do something like this, for example. Usually you don't go from some minus numbers. You usually use from 0 or from 1 or whatever you want, but usually there is no minus in these numbers. So we can print something like for number again, range 0 to 11, and print something like this. For example, it will be number dot line. Okay, and if I will run it, first line, second line, third line, and so on and so on. Okay, I hope you get it. So this is range.